Alright, now here's what I'm noticing. Watch the throttle servo move when I just crank it up. Okay. So the motor must be picking up some kind of frequency when I crank it. Yep, that ain't nice. Guess we're gonna have to open this wiring back up and have another look-see, and something must be causing some kind of static interference and causing that servo to move when I'm trying to crank it. Interesting observation. Nothing to do with the gyro. Had nothing to do with the gyro. How's it do when we crank it? Yep, some type of interference. I'm gonna have to take this, open this back up, go over the wiring again and check the throttle. Wiring around the throttle, servo. Something is causing us some interference. Yep, not cool. Sucking right here. Watching when I crank it. Yep, there it goes. Interesting. Now we got no throttle control. Very interesting. That's what I need to see. Shutting off. Okay, now everything's working again. Okay, I got locked out there for a second. Let me look at these satellites. Okay, here's my solution to my problem with this CDI and the flybarless unit. They recommend using a 4.8 volt nickel metal hydrate battery. power up the CDI unit. And I guess that would work on a flybarred head unit, but since we're having the interference with this flybarless unit, we're going to leave the LiPo pack to power the flybarless unit and use the 1000 milliamp pack power the CDI, so that way it's not getting the, it looks like it's picking up the pulses from the ignition system when it's sparking, and I guess that that voltage drop is causing this unit to draw too much power, and also is causing the unit to brown out. Right. So it's just to a little heads up on anybody else who's planning on running a gasser in the flybarless unit. It did seem to hover fine for a minute when I initially got it up in the air, but since that one flight with a throttle servo got damaged, and now I figured out how and why it's got damaged, and I think that's the best solution I can come up with. I'm gonna give it a try. But if anybody else has any other opinions or advice about this, some new stuff to us. But that battery's small and won't hurt nothing. We still got it running to the switch over here, so it'll still be able to power the CDI unit on and off. Thanks for watching.